Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to factory reset your iPhone 11, even if you forgot the passcode or Apple ID password. If your iPhone 11 is locked, frozen, or stuck, or you just wanted to erase everything and start fresh, this video is for you. So, why would you need to factory reset your iPhone 11? Here are some common reasons. You forgot your passcode and got locked out. Your iPhone is running slow or freezing. You want to sell or give away your iPhone. You're stuck on the Apple logo or black screen. You need to remove an old Apple ID. Let's explore the solutions. Method 1. Factory reset iPhone 11 using MagFone iPhone Unlocker. If you don't remember your passcode or Apple ID password, don't worry. The easiest and most effective way to factory reset your iPhone 11 is by using MagFone iPhone Unlocker. With just a few clicks, you can remove the passcode and factory reset your iPhone, even if it's disabled. Let me show you how it works. Download and install MagFone iPhone Unlocker on your computer. Launch the program and select Unlock Screen Passcode Mode. Connect your iPhone 11 to your computer using a USB cable. After put your iPhone into recovery mode, click Next button. Click Download to install the required firmware package. Once the download is complete, click Start Unlock and let MagFone do the rest. That's it. In just a few minutes, your iPhone 11 will be factory reset and ready to set up as new. Method 2. Factory reset iPhone 11 using iTunes. Connect your iPhone 11 to a computer and open iTunes. Put your iPhone into recovery mode using the same button combination as before. When iTunes detects your iPhone, click Restore iPhone. Wait for iTunes to erase your device and install the latest iOS version. Method 3. Factory reset iPhone 11 using iCloud. Go to iCloud official website and log in with your Apple ID. Click on Find iPhone, then select your device. Click Erase iPhone and confirm. Method 4. Factory reset iPhone 11 using Settings if no password. Go to Settings. Tap General, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Erase all content and settings, enter your passcode and confirm to proceed.